Let me ask you a simple question. If money was no longer a problem, what would your life actually look like? Would you keep your job? Would you live in the same place? Would you even wake up at the same time every morning? See, most people are not chasing money. They're chasing freedom, but they don't even know what that means. Today I'm going to break down what financial freedom really is and how you can start working toward it, no matter where you are right now. Financial freedom is not about being rich. It's not having a mansion, a yacht, or 10 Rolexes. It's about control. Control over your time. Control over your choices. Control over your life. It's waking up and deciding how you want to spend your day. Not because you have to, but because you choose to. It's when your money works for you, instead of you working for money. Let's make it real simple. There are 3 main levels of financial freedom. Level 1, survival freedom. This is where you can cover your basic needs, rent, food, bills, without stress. Maybe through your job or your side hustle. Most people get stuck here for life. Level 2, security freedom. Now you're not just surviving. You're saving, investing, building a cushion. You can take a break and your life won't collapse. This is where things start to shift. Level 3, absolute freedom. You wake up and ask, what do I feel like doing today? Your investments, businesses, or income streams cover everything. You work because you want to, not because you have to. Which level are you at? And more importantly, which level do you want to get to? Now here's the part no one tells you. You don't need a lottery ticket or a trust fund to get there. What you need is financial education. Because once you understand how money works, the game changes. Invest in yourself. It's the highest ROI you'll ever get. Here's the brutal truth. Most people will never reach financial freedom, not because they're lazy, not because they're dumb, but because they've been trained to trade time for money. They were taught, go to school, get a job, work 40 years, retire on a government check. That's not freedom. That's survival with extra steps. Real freedom comes when your money doesn't depend on your time. It comes from building income streams, investing, and creating systems that pay you, even while you sleep. But to do that, you need to break the mindset you were raised with. Here's how to begin. Today, track every dollar you spend for 30 days. Start an emergency fund, even if it's just $100. Take 1 class on financial literacy this week. Hint, check the Skillshare link. Set a freedom number, how much money you need monthly to live free. Commit to 1 source of income outside your job this year. It's not about doing everything at once. It's about doing one thing right now. Remember this, financial freedom is possible. It's not reserved for the elite. It's available to anyone who's willing to think differently, act deliberately, and invest in themselves. So if this video helped shift your mindset even a little, do 3 things for me and for you. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's tired of living on autopilot. This is just the beginning. In the next videos, we'll keep uncovering how to break free from the system and start building real wealth. Welcome to Poor is the New Rich. Let's build freedom, one decision at a time.